How to do a screenshot on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can do a screenshot on laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to actually make a screenshot on your laptop, all you have to do is, now there are many ways to take a screenshot. One thing that you can do is, on all of your laptops you can press the Windows plus G button on your laptop, and when you press the Windows and G button you'll see a game bar right where it says one of the options is called capture. So you can just hit the capture option, and then you can just hit capture here, and then once done, this screenshot will get successfully saved. As you can see over here, the screenshot has been successfully saved. The other way you can do this is by using a snipping tool which comes by default. So you can press the shift Windows and S button at the same time, where you'll see the snipping tools options here, right? So shift Windows and S here, and once you have done that you should be able to see the snipping tool, where you can simply now drag the whole portion, or you can just go to full screen mode here and then just take a screenshot of the whole mode. This way you'll be able to take a screenshot on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.